Understanding Feeling Second Best, a guide to English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood. Feeling second best. This expression can be quite powerful in conveying a specific emotion, and we're here to unpack its meaning, usage, and nuances. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply looking to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Feeling second best is an idiom that describes the feeling of not being the top priority, preference, or choice in a situation or in someone's consideration. It often carries a sense of disappointment, inadequacy, or sadness. When someone says they're feeling second best, they might feel that they are not the first choice or that they are somehow less valued or less important compared to someone or something else. To help clarify, let's look at a few examples. 1. In relationships, if a person feels like their partner spends more time and shows more affection towards someone else, they might say they're feeling second best in the relationship. 2. At work, imagine a scenario where a promotion you were hoping for is given to a colleague. Despite your hard work and dedication, you might express your feelings about the situation by saying you feel second best to your colleague. 3. In friendships, when a close friend starts spending more time with a new friend, leaving you feeling left out or less important, this could also be described as feeling second best. Now, let's put this phrase into action. Here are some sentences that incorporate feeling second best. Despite all my efforts at work, I can't shake off the feeling of being second best to my more experienced colleagues. Growing up with a prodigy sibling, I often found myself feeling second best, overshadowed by their achievements. He didn't mean to, but his constant praise of others left me feeling second best in his circle of friends. Feeling second best isn't pleasant, but it's a common human experience. Recognizing and acknowledging these feelings is the first step towards overcoming them. It's important to communicate your feelings, strive for personal growth, and remember your unique value in every situation. Remember, your worth is not determined by comparisons with others. Thank you for watching our video on Feeling Second Best. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with new discoveries. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep learning and stay positive.